Sa pinuno ng aming pamilya, happy birthday Lola. Maraming salamat sa pagmamahal at pag-aalaga mo sa akin noong bata pa ako pag nasa trabaho pa si Papa. Sa mga kwento ninyo at sa paborito kong kapet kanin na merienda noon. I wish you good health and long life, Lola. See you sa susunod na pag-uwi ko. Love you!
One more time. Happy birthday, Lola! Say happy birthday, Lola.
Apple juice.
Apple juice, yes. Happy birthday, Lola! We love you! Stay healthy! Bye!
Put up.
Hello, Auntie Piling. Greetings from California. Happy 95th birthday. Kumusta na po? Yeah, hopefully you'll have more blessings and long life. I'm praying for your good health. And hopefully we'll see each other soon. Enjoy your special day. God bless you. Yeah, thank you for the memories, for adopting me during summertime in the Philippines during my childhood. I always go there in Castillejos to spend my summer with Kuya William, riding the carabaos, getting kasoy, and going to the bukid to get vegetables. And then sometimes we go to the market where you sell your produce. Yeah, so it was fun and it was a memorable childhood for me. And sometimes you visit us in Laguna. We have some pictures there. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy your 95th birthday. And may you have many more birthdays to come. Okay, this is John. Hopefully, tandaan niyo pa ako. Dito sa California. Okay. Take care always. God bless you. Love you, Auntie Piling. Okay, bye. Happy birthday.
Hello, Auntie Piling. Happy birthday. Greetings from Dundee, Florida. Just want to wish you a very happy birthday. Wow, it's 95 years old. Talaga po. Time flies. But God bless you with good health, with good family. And I want to wish you more blessings and more good health. Miss na miss ko po kayo. Last time po tayo nagkita nung nandito pa kayo sa New York. So sobrang taga, pero talagang miss ko na po kayo talaga po. Sige po. Happy birthday ulit.
Hello. Greetings from Virginia, USA. Happy birthday, Nana Piling. May you have many more happy birthdays to celebrate. Enjoy your glorious day. Kumusta sa inyong lahat? I hope to see you all again soon. God bless. Bye.
Hi Lola! Happy birthday! Bumili na ako ng maraming loto para manalo na tayo.
Auntie Piling, kamusta na? Siyak ni Ricky dito New Jersey. Nagbati lang siyak na happy birthday. Oo. Kamusta na dyan? Eto. Dito pa rin. If you can remember before 2015 nung lumipat kami dito sa New Jersey from New York, ay kasama ka dun sa housewarming namin, saka si Ante. Yun, ang sabi mo pa nga noon, oy, kailangan mo mag-ready ng barya para isaboy sa kanto-kanto ng bahay, pampaswerte. Ayun. Kaya naghanap pa kami ng barya para maisaboy. Ay ito, andito pa rin yung sila, no? Kami, si Lanis, si Pearl ni Paula. Kaso andito lang, solo lang ako dito ngayon. Si nanay nandito. Ayun, kamusta naman dyan sa mga relatives natin dyan sa Castillejos, sa Iba. Sige, ingat kayo lahat dyan. God bless. Bye.
Happy 95th birthday, Lola Piling! Thank you for all the love, the stories, and the endless support to the whole family.
We wish you all the best and we hope to see you again soon.